Hi, how are you? Today is our second lecture. Building quadcopter involves combination of electronic, mechanical, structure elements, necessary parts for smooth and successful construction. This is the 30 ampere ESC. ESC regulates the speed of motors. Choose the ESCs that match the specification of your motors are compatible with your flight controller. And this is ready to scale 920 kV motors. One motor is about 900. Each motor generates 1 kg thrust. Please be careful for selection of motors. This is the propellers, 2 anti-clock and 2 clockwise. Propellers various sizes and pitches. Okay, and this is the frame. All these arms are joint center section. And the main thing is Pixhawk Cube Black, high performance flight controller for UAVs and drones, based on Pixhawk open source autopilot, equipped with advanced sensors for precision navigation like gyros, accelerometer, magnetometer, barometer. And this is the here 3 GPS with CAN port, high precision GPS. That's power module, input 6s, and that ports go to autopilot, and this is our GPS stand. Yes, definitely. And this is actually a 433 megahertz radio telemetry modem, approximately 100 milliwatt, 200 milliwatt maximum its power until. Be careful selection of telemetry radio. Both a pair bind each other. And last thing we need, this is the data cable. Yes, this is the data cable we need. Yes, this is data cable, and all this is the main tool required building a Pixhawk quadcopter. And this is the 3M tape for Pixhawk, double-sided tapes designed for securing Pixhawk flight controller and other components, used for mounting Pixhawk flight controller into frame, provide a secure vibration damping attachment. This is a double-sided tape, and all these things are required to make a quadcopter. Don't worry, I will teach everything. Make quadcopter.